MLD Dream Builders is a Cebu-based real estate developer since 2007, and they are famous for developing very good housing projects. They have projects in Danao, which is called Casitas at Cogon Plains. They have Antonioville in Mandaue City, currently ongoing construction. Pueblo San Ricardo, a new project. Villa Iluminada in Lapu-Lapu, which has I think 2 ready for occupancy units left, and they have upcoming projects in Talisay and Minglanilla, and one of them we are going to talk about today. The project is called Sierra.ACCESSIBILITY. It is located in Tunghaan Minglanilla, and they have 3 model units, 2 single detached and 1 bungalow unit. This bungalow unit is already sold out in about, I think in just a month. It was already sold out. This first model unit is called the Aya. It is 100 square meters in lot and 92 square meters in floor area. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. That lady there, she's the one who writes your name when you get in. The space is quite big. This is the deliverable. You have kitchen counter, the sink, the granite, very thick granite kitchen counter. The stairs is top notch. It's high quality stairs. And we go in the first bedroom for your firstborn. And then the second bedroom for the for the younger one, and then for your happiness, the master bedroom, the very big master bedroom with a view of the outside. This next model unit is called the Irie, with 4 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. It is 122 square meters in lot and 105 square meters in floor area. This is a dressed up unit, okay? So this is not ready for occupancy. It has a bedroom on the ground floor for your older parents. It's quite a big bedroom. So it's really perfect for the oldies. Again, a dressed up unit. Okay, so there's the toilet and bath. You see the stairs? Very good stairs. And let's go in the first bedroom for your daughter, for your future daughter, and then for your son. Do more of what makes you happy. I feel like this is a musician's room. And then your master bedroom. Oh, take a look at the space. So much to do in this big space. That's the Aya. Aya is listed at 5.5 million, while Irie is listed at 6.5 million. Both of these units is 30,000 pesos in reservation fee with 20% down payment payable in 36 months, and the remaining balance is, of course, through bank financing. Also, there is an option to pay it in full cash with the desired discount. And then number 2, you can also do it, you can also pay for the entire amount deferred, meaning 0 interest, but you only have to pay it for 3 short years. So that is our Sierra Point. It is located only 1 minute from Gaisano Minglanilla, and it is only about 60 units, very exclusive subdivision, and about 30 to 40% remaining inventory. So if you are very interested, you are keen in getting 1 unit in Minglanilla, because the third bridge is almost done and the Naga-Danao Expressway is ongoing, I think this is the perfect house for you. So if you have any questions, you may inquire through the comment section down below, or DM me on my Instagram. So that's it for today. See you on the next video. Bye.
Come around.